Showdown over Ganesh Utsav simmers in Karnataka's Dharwad. The Dharwad bench of the Karnataka High Court is all set to hear a plea challenging its earlier order that permitted Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations at the Idgah Maidan in Hubli. And this comes after the Supreme Court order that said that there should be status quo, but that of course was in Bengaluru. The Supreme Court said no Ganesh festivities at the Idgah grounds in Bengaluru tomorrow. Muslim parties are claiming that the Karnataka High Court order that permitted celebrations in Hubli will now be modified after the Supreme Court verdict or Supreme Court interim order in the Bengaluru Idgah Maidan controversy. I quickly want to cut across to India Today's Nabila Jamal for more on the story. So Nabila, this case we are told is likely to be heard anytime now, 10 p.m. at night. Tell us what's the plea and what's likely to happen.
Right, Gaurav, as we speak, at this moment, the matter has been filed in the High Court. Karnataka High Court is taking up a petition filed by the Muslim side, Anjuman-e-Islam. Basically, right after information came in from the Supreme Court, asking the Karnataka government to hold on to the Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations at the Idgah Maidan, declaring status quo. Anjuman-e-Islam has now appealed to the High Court in Karnataka, saying that Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations should not happen even in the Hubli Idgah Maidan, considering that the Supreme Court's reference point for Bengaluru's Idgah Maidan has entirely changed the dynamics of the situation. And looking at what the Supreme Court said with regards to the Idgah Maidan in Chamrajpet, Bengaluru, asking for status quo, Anjuman-e-Islam now petitioning at the Karnataka High Court, saying that even in Hubli Idgah Maidan, same status quo must be maintained. Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations should not be allowed, and this development comes right after the afternoon Supreme Court order asking for status quo at the Bengaluru Maidan. Remember, Gaurav, we are looking at high security deployed at both the Idgah Maidans in Bengaluru as well in Hubli. Hubli, already the district administration had made large-scale preparations at the Idgah Maidan for 3-day festivities of Ganesh Chaturthi. Okay. And now it appears a late-night hearing in the Karnataka High Court would really put an end to whether or not Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations will be celebrated tomorrow post the Supreme Court's order.
Keep tracking that story, Nabila. I will come back to you for more. For the moment, many thanks.